Warning, the following presentation does not contain any audio. Trust me, I'm shook, I'm shocked, I'm real emotional about it, and rest in peace to my audio wherever it went. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Megan Victoria. So today we're doing a hair tutorial. I don't even know the last time I did a hair tutorial, but you guys have been asking for a lot of them lately, and I've just noticed people want to see buns, they want to see waves, and with the whole Victoria's Secret theme of, the last couple of videos we did, I figured I would do a Victoria's Secret inspired effortless loose wave. I feel like very effortless undone hair is all the rage right now, and that's pretty much the style everyone's trying to recreate. So I want to show you kind of my version and keep it really, really simple, really effortless, really sexy, really cute, and all those good things. So if you'd like to see how we get this fun Victoria's Secret effortless hairstyle, then please just keep on watching. And yes, I am losing my voice. I was away all weekend, so I apologize if I sound a little scraggly. I just wanted to be accountable to you guys and get Thursday's video up on time. All right, let's get going. So we are starting with natural hair. So this is my natural hair texture, just air dried. Has a little bit of wave to it. There's a lot of it. It's pretty fluffy. And yeah, so let us get started. Alright, so first I'm going to take the straightener and straighten the ends of my hair. There's 3 reasons I do this. Number 1, when creating the curl, I kind of want to break the curl memory. So because we're already adding heat to the ends of our hair, it's not going to curl as easily as the top will because it'll be fresh heat. When you kind of like curl your hair once, it's really hard to straighten it, that kind of thing. So you break the curl memory and the curl pattern. Number 2, you're creating a lazy textured style of a wave. So you want that soft look. So straightened ends always look a little bit better and a little bit more relaxed. And then the third and final reason is look how shiny straightened ends look. It really seals in all the hair cuticle and gets rid of all the split ends. So all I'm going to do is go through the rest of my hair and straighten the ends like so. Then we're going to add some dry shampoo. I want to add some texture. I want to make sure my roots are really lifted and everything's really rubbed in. So I'm going to rub that in through my hair, and then we're going to go on to the part. So I just comb my hair back and I let my hair kind of fall naturally so I can see exactly where my part is. Now we can section the hair. So I'm going to take my hair and just section right above my ears. Depending on how thick or thin your hair is, you can change up your sections. I don't like to do 2 sectioned because I want, again, that very effortless look. So you didn't see, but I actually sprayed my hair with a Workable Hair Spray. We're going to use 2 hairsprays in this look. The first hairspray is a workable hairspray, meaning it's not a super strong hold, so it's going to let the hair kind of have some flexibility to it when you're working with it. So now we move on to the actual wave. So as you can see, I'm just creating these very light bends in the hair. So I take the iron and I clamp it, turn it about 180 and pull down. But what I like to do also is kind of use the direction of the hair and pull it away from the iron. So you'll see we twist and then the end stays completely straight out. And you'll see how loose of a curl we get at the end of the hair, and that's because of our pre-straightening method, so that really, really helps us out. So I'm just going to go through the whole head and curl it like so. You can see the twist, the end stays out, and then I use my finger just to kind of wrap the curl and let that kind of settle. Then we're going to use a strong hold hairspray just to really hold the curl and let it cool down. So we're going to let it cool down before we touch it or brush it or break it up, anything like that. So we'll continue the same curl pattern on the other side of the head, and you can see I use my hands to kind of twist the curls so they really kind of stay. Then we'll finish with some stronghold hairspray and move on to our top section. So again, I just pretty messily kind of just put it into and call it a day. So we are going to start the same process again, working that light hold hairspray into the hair so it has a little bit of hold and kind of like a primer. So then I go through the sections, and again, I just keep really messy sections, some bigger, some loose, twist the curl, and I let the end stay straight, and you can see exactly how we do that. For this one, I do like to diagonal my iron a little bit more, kind of more in a diagonal, going more towards the floor, and this kind of keeps the curl even looser at the top of the section, especially when you have layers and it's shorter. It can curl really easy, so I want to keep it really loose. I do like to keep my bang piece kind of till the end because I like to see how it frames my face exactly, and then I just go through the hair finishing the rest. So this is the bang piece, start kind of halfway through, and I keep it so light because I really like it really soft around my hair or my face. So again, we just twist and then we're gonna spray again, give it a couple minutes to really just kind of calm down. And now the magic powder. Oh my god, I love this powder. I've talked about this so many times with you guys. So it's like a texture powder that you put at your root. So I just kind of break up the hair in sections and I put this powder in. It really lifts the roots, so it's going to give you really, really amazing volume. And then we're going to shake our head over and just shake out the curls, zhuzh kind of the product into the roots, and really kind of just keep it all in there. This is when you've got like a lot of volume. It's pretty messy. Then I love this like wave spray. It's like a texture spray and it really gives your hair lots of texture, like a lot. So kind of go easy on this, but the whole kind of rest of the hairstyle is just kind of breaking it up with your fingers. I also find this hairstyle looks better about 10 minutes after it's kind of settled. And then because my hair is a little uneven like with the part, I just like to tease the one side just to like soften it up. But honestly guys, that's your hairstyle. It's super effortless, super chill, and once it settles, you'll get the gorgeous Victoria's Secret vibe. Alright guys, so there we have it. I really hope you enjoyed this look, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.